Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, everyone, anytime you watch the video. First of all, let me introduce myself. My name is Aviana Vionisa Rahim, and I'm a student in State Polytechnic of Malang, majoring in English for Business and Professional Communication. So today we will discuss about terms used in export and import. First, here we have prohibited and restricted. These terms often used when your goods are forbidden or limited by law or regulation. Next, we have classification process. Here is the process that plays a pivotal role in determining the status of your goods. Next, we have appendix sites. So basically, the sites link in every goods that is classified, which is restricted due to their association with endangered fauna or flora. It's also the same with B3 waste, which is known as hazardous and toxic natures. This kind of goods are face strict regulation and to prevent environmental harm. Next, we have psychotropics and narcotics. These terms often used when your commodities or goods can affect mental activities, behavior, or perception. For example, it's like a drugs. Next, we have raw or fresh ratans. It's the same. It's a commodities that can impact an ecosystems. Next, we have Indonesia National Singles Window. Here, INSW provide a centralized hub for managing custom procedures. INSW also has a portal, which here in this portal, trader can access vital information, including harmonized system codes, which is essential for accurate classification and tariff determination. Next, we have harmonized system code. Here, this code often used to identify goods or commodities in export-import. For example, you can use it in Trademap website. You can just type the code and then voila, you can see your goods and commodities there. Next, we have presidential decree, which is a legal order or directive issued by the president of the country, and then is often used to establish regulation or policies. Next, we have custom service management entrepreneurs. This custom service plays a crucial role in facilitating smooth transactions and compliance with regulation. Next, we have an UNIDFAC, which is United Nations Rules for Electronic Data, which give us an information of administration, commerce, and transport. Next, we have licensing documents. As we know, in export-import activities, we use a lot of documents, and then this legal documents is used to grant a permission to engage in a certain activities or operations, which is issued by governmental authorities. Next, we have trader. Trader here is the subject. Here, trader relies on licensing documents and a de facto to navigate the intricate web of custom procedures. Next, we have domestic and overseas port. Here, domestic and overseas have their own role which is domestic here used for loading and unloading goods for domestic transportation, and then overseas used for international trade and transportation. Next, we have custom authorities, of course. The custom authorities plays a role in tracking the movement of commercial goods and make sure that the taxes and rules were being followed. Next, we have World Custom Organization, WCO. Here, WCO role is to set standards and facilitate cooperation among nations. Next, we have shipper's letter of instruction. Same with the licensing documents, or like the documents before, but here shipper letter of instruction used in guiding the shipping process. Next, we have free trade agreement. Here, free trade agreement giving us the information about trade dynamics, which is the import tariff and preferential tariff schemes. And then next, we have best tarif bea masuk Indonesia BTBMI, sorry, which is the Indonesian Custom Tariff Books, and then ASEAN Harmonized Tariff Nomenclature, AHTN. Here is a harmonized system for classifying traded products used within the Association of Southeast Asian Nation, ASEAN, sorry. Next, we have Heading Indonesia Custom Tariff Books, BTKI, as a specific classification within the Indonesian Custom Tariff Books. So, actually, here, BTBMI and ASEAN Harmonized Tariff Nomenclature, AHTN, provide an essential reference points aiding in the accurate classification of goods within the Indonesia Customs Tariff Book, BTKI. I think that's all for today's discussion. If you have any question, you may chat in the comments box below. Thank you for watching the video and have a good day. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.